I just cracked open my Vive controller, and, you know, there's lots of stuff on how to do that. But I noticed that I didn't have a pad slippage. What I did have, is you can see that thing, maybe the thing will refocus for me in just a second. Yeah, see, there's sort of an indentation there. It's starting to bump in, and, anyway, it's from that button. And what I'm getting is, on the right side here, just it won't compress. And, you know, I'm not getting proper, when I'm pushing on this side, I'm not getting proper button presses. So what I did on the other controller already, and I'm going to do again on this one, is I'm just going to put a tiny bead of glue there. I use a fast-drying UV glue, and I find it works really well. So yeah, I've got my UV-activated glue there. I just put a dab of it on this button. Just wait for the focus to catch up here. So it's kind of hard to see here. Maybe you can see it from the side. There's just that little bit of, it's really easier to see from far away. See, it's not flat anymore. It's got that little cone on it. And I found that once I put the controller back together on the other one, it really held in place nicely. And it gave me a nice even kind of depression every time I pushed on it with the touchpad on the back here. So yeah, that's just a little, if anyone's having that problem, they're finding one side or the other is starting to depress easier than that, then yeah, just crack the whole thing open, put a little dab of glue on there. You don't have to use UV glue. I can imagine you could use anything that makes a half a dome, but I just like the UV activated stuff because it dries so fast. So there you have it.